Tasmania's southwest corner is a land of rugged landscapes and constantly shifting weather systems, highly influenced by its proximity to Antarctica. This is the breeding range of the rarest neophema parrot of them all, the orange-bellied parrot. With less than 50 individuals in the wild, the orange belly is critically endangered. Within the protected boundaries of this reserve at Melaleuca, scientists carefully monitor its biology and breeding behaviour. Chicks from surrounding nest sites are carefully placed in cloth bags and weighed and banded. Mark Holdsworth and his team from the Department of Primary Industries, Parks, Water and Environment spend several weeks each year gathering critical data on the orange belly. Coloured bands offer identification of each bird at a glance, making identification easy when encountered in the field or at the feeding tray. Especially on cool, wet days, the orange bellies gather for this free bird buffet of seed. It faces competition from land developers on the mainland where it overwinters, and a population that is already low in number. This small parrot is an Australian treasure, and most certainly worth the attention given it currently or into the future.